If you're not familiar with digital wireless systems, they generally offer better audio quality due to superior conversion. The AKG DMS systems feature high-resolution 24-bit 48 kHz digital signal, which also eliminates any analog artifacts or interference. These systems were designed from the ground up for intuitive operation. Adaptive channel selection eliminates the guesswork out of locating available wireless channels. Here's how to pair them. When powered on, the DMS100 receiver will show one of 4 colors. To pair is as simple as holding the pair button on the transmitter until the colors correspond on here and with blue on there. We're now paired. Older systems generally operate in the 600 megahertz range, which won't be approved for use in many countries as soon as 2020. The AKG DMS wireless systems, however, operate in a 2.4 gigahertz band, a global license-free space. Also, the new DMS systems have an extremely low latency of 2.9 milliseconds, which is far below the threshold of perception. The key difference between the DMS100 and the DMS300 is the number of simultaneous coexisting channels. While the DMS100 offers 4 channels via color code, the DMS300 is 8 channels via channel identification numbers. On the high-resolution front panel, you also have remaining battery level indicator, as well as a few additional features for monitoring and control. The external front-facing antennas, as well as the RJ12 sync cable, allows for advanced wireless coordination between multiple systems. When security is top priority, like in government or corporate applications, digital is the way to go. The DMS systems offer built-in 256-bit encryption, which is considered some of the most secure and robust encryption in this class. Thanks so much for watching. For more information, contact your local Harman rep or visit akg.com.